right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a new one here, new artist on Gordon Guitar, and it's Bayker Blankenship with a song called Maxed Out. So first time here, Bayker Blankenship, I think that is how he pronounces his name. Maxed Out is a great song, and in this video he's singing about tough life, working hard, no money, but what a great voice he has. So really deserves attention here in Gordon Guitar. Maxed Out, great song as well. So let's take a look at this song with the capo set on the 3rd fret, and that is how he plays it as well. If you watch the music video there, please do that. And yeah, capo on 3rd, we have the 4 famous chords C, G, E minor, and D. We're gonna start with the chord run through here, and we're gonna look at C, and we're gonna use the add version to it. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right, so that's the C add. Next chord is G. You keep the bottom down there from the C chord and just go up 1 string with your index and mid finger to this position, and that is the G. And it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We're gonna do the same with the E minor. Keep the bottom there and recuperate your finger to this. All right, and that gives us open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And the final chord we're gonna go with is D. That's a plain D. We're gonna use that, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right, so that is the chord progression through the entire song in the same order. We'll learn the chords C, G, E minor, and D. We're gonna look at the strumming now. And this strumming is divided into 2 different parts because 2 chords are connected to each other, C to G and E minor to D. So we're gonna look at the first transition there between C to G. So 1 full strumming around with these 2 chords goes like this. So the first part for C is down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. And then you shift chord and play immediately down, up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, 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 up. So if you connect these 2 parts and play them right after each other, it will be. And then you apply the same principle on the next 2 chords, E minor to D. So E minor is played in the same way as C, down, 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 up, and then D in the same way as G, down, up, down, 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 up, like this. And that's it, guys. So that is 1 round. You're gonna play like this from the beginning till the very end through the entire song, and a couple of rounds goes like this. All right, guys, so that covers Bayker Blankenship's Maxed Out, a great song. And yeah, I really enjoy to do this like 100% guitar songs. It's nice to do some challenging as well, but I mean, this just flows so naturally. It's a guitar song, 4 famous chords, easy strumming pattern, and that's it. So yeah, if you're a Bayker fan, hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a like on this tutorial and perhaps a comment of what you think. An honest one would be nice. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing that. Thank you for all the support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.